How do I find and replace a character in filenames in Windows 7 using Explorer? I want to replace all the underscore characters, underscore, with a space, in a filename. How can I do this quickly, when I have lots of underscore characters to replace?
Script should do it for you. Create a file called rename___vbs containing the following. Make sure the folder name is correct. In the example, I've used C:\test, and then double-click your file to do the renaming.
Edit. In Windows 10 and 11, it's now possible to do this, and much more, directly in Explorer using the PowerName extension from Microsoft's free PowerToys package. PowerToys has lots of other great extensions, too. Unfortunately, it's not available for Windows 7, but perhaps you've upgraded your OS since 2010? Smile! As others have mentioned, there is no way to do exactly what you want without using a script or batch file. For instance, in PowerShell you can do what you want quite easily. Just be sure to replace C:\users\myname\documents\me directory with the path to your directory. For more detail and other options, including some things you can do using just Explorer, see here, this URL.
I recommend using a third-party tool like Bulk Rename Utility. It's free and it has an installer less than 1 MB.
This is within the realms of a DOS bat file. Create a bat file, new NGT, text file, rename extension to bat and copy the blue sections below into it. I'll split it into sections and explain what it's doing. Print the current state of the directory for comparison later. List the files in the directory, then for all the ones that contain an underscore and end in text, call process file on them. The syntax str equals %strx equals y% replaces instances of x with y. In this case, we're replacing underscore with nothing. That's it. Now it just prints what was changed so we can confirm it's working as expected. Results, not part of the bat file.
If you want to support this channel, please do this